Got him. Look at the size of him. Submarine. He's foul hooked and all. I've hooked him in the side. Well, I don't need the lip grips because he's not hooked in the lips. I don't have to lift him from under his stomach because he's already doing that with the hooks. I went to tangle from hell. You get in there, buddy. There he goes. He's off. Whew. There he goes. I just watched him swim down there through the clear water. We're on the board, Brett. We're on the board. You're joking. You got his brother. I'll be buggered. The indications are there.
Lovely little trout cod on the native spinnerbait. Very good. Tiny.
Isn't that great to see these little ones in here?
Oh yeah. Anyway, I think
there you go, Brett. Look at that lovely trout cod. Off you go, mate.
Thank you.
Well done, Mr. Corker. I have. Just. Well done, Brad. It's one of them nights where there's just heaps and heaps and heaps of little ones. Can you just hold it up for a tick?
Sorry?
Hold it up for a tick. That's the third tiny little cod tonight. 2 Murray cod and 1 trout cod. It's just one of them nights, isn't it? Unbelievable. And beautiful water. There's a bloody thunderstorm building right behind us. The stars are all lining up. Surely we've got to get a good one tonight. Oh! Something hit it. Is there a boil? Oh, well, mustn't have been a very... There's a little boil just coming up now. Another little one.
Very small. Although actually it's the biggest one I've got tonight.
That's the biggest one of the night, and it's probably 30 centimetres. It really is the night for the little ones. Here's a warning to all you 20 and 30 centimetre cod in town. Be warned, Robbie and Brett have arrived. We'll probably catch about 10 that size. Well done, Brett. On the native spinnerbait, is it?
On the native spinnerbait, yeah. Native
spinnerbait made by Craig Fruin in Wangaratta. What a champion fella, Fruy. I've known him for years. Oh, shit. That was a dodgy cast. That was a hook cast. Here comes the breeze. That's what I like, because that breeze indicates a sudden change in barometer. That is a little bit. It'll cool off more once. Enjoy it while it lasts. They're forecasting 41 for tomorrow. The arse crack's dried out a little bit, so it must have cooled off. Here comes the storm winds, the localised winds. Good. Very good. Imagine all the cicadas and stuff that's blowing onto the water. It'll be hard to fish with all the leaves on the water, that's the only problem. You couldn't get better cod fishing conditions than right now. It's raining leaves. Look at this. Look at the trees over here. Holy crap! What the hell? Flaming hell! That's just come from nowhere. Hey? This is epic. It just come from nowhere. Well, we've been watching the storm build, but until now it's been dead calm. And now we've got bloody Hurricane Corker going through. Friggin' hell! Oh, my eyes full of shit. Hope this big bastard doesn't fall on us. We might have caught our last cod, Brett. Sorry to be a bit pessimistic, but I think we've caught our last fish. Oh, this is amazing. Now's the time you need to be down there casting. Sort of don't want to take my eye off a tree though, in case a branch starts falling down. It'd bark 3 foot long till he hit you on the head then. Oh, this guy over here is watering his paddock and the water's landing on the paddocks in Myrtleford. Look at all the bloody dust lifting up off the driveway of the house over there. Da-da-da! Look at this! Look at all the bark! Yeah. Look at these trees! Absolutely amazing! The wind will be blowing them towards your car! I can't believe this! I'm going to have to lean into the wind! At 130 kilograms, I'm about to lift off. Look at this.
This will fire the fish up, I reckon.
Yeah. This is going to blow 8,000 million trillion billion cicadas into the water. Oh. And here comes the rain. Oh! We should have a pretty decent sized rain shadow behind this tree. I reckon if I fart, then cows over there are going to smell it in about 5 seconds. Well, I might go up this way and see what's up here. What do you reckon? Let's do it. I just hope the big bolt of lightning doesn't strike really close. You got him? Ah, shit! Conditions couldn't be better. I just heard thunder. Yeah. Unless it was a tree going down. I've never felt so alive. Right. I'm turning my glasses off. Got him! Yeah! Oh, he spat it out! I had him on for about 3 metres. He took the great big bloody Coolabung cod clacker. Look at the size of it. He wasn't a bad fish. I don't think he was a monster. I reckon he might have been somewhere in the 50s.
Oh yeah, I saw him whip off. Got it on video.
Pop me up.
Pop me up.
We've got to get something in the big hole back near the house. That is just an absolute gem of a hole. It was like love at first sight when I first saw that spot. Got him. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice fish, Brett.
Nice fish.
Yeah. Yeah, he'd be a good 60, 65 cell, somewhere in the 60s. Thank you very much. Fair dinkum, I heard it. You got buff while I'm trying to land this big fish. Oh yes, look at that.
Oh, Robbie.
Oh, ha ha. What, how big you reckon? 64, 65?
60 odd, yeah.
Yeah, somewhere between 60 and 65. Lovely fish on the Coolabung cod clacker surface lure. We have just had hurricane corker has come through and blown 4 million cicadas and little birds and koalas and possums out of the trees and into the river. And now, we've put surface lures on, and in the first 5 minutes we've had 3 buffs. I just missed one just there. I caught one just there, and while I was landing it, Brett had a nice buff up there. Lovely fish on the Coolabung cod walker. It's Coolabung cod clacker. See ya, mate. Oh, he's off.
Great, well done, Robbie.
Thank you very much. That's probably my third biggest cod this season. What are you doing? What are you doing down there? Praying. I love stormy activity. You just cannot. Oh, Brett's on the top. I saw that out the corner of my eye. Had my what I call peripheral vision. Look at that. That made.
Why can't I get a decent fish? It's a big lure and it catches small fish. Very disappointing. I've never put decent fish in before. So a lot of cod.
Cod clacker. There he goes. Self-releasing. Isn't that great? Look at this big tree here. That was standing before that storm hit. That tree must be well over 100, 150 years old. I'm just going to text the property owner now and let him know. Unbelievable.